Welcome. In this video, we'll create a JavaScript program to manage a simple bank account. We'll define a class with properties for account number and balance. Then, we'll add methods to deposit, withdraw, and display the account balance. Let's dive in and see how object-oriented programming makes this clean and efficient. We'll build a bank account class that allows tracking the account number and balance. The class should support depositing and withdrawing amounts. Withdrawals must check if sufficient funds exist before proceeding. This is a great exercise in both validation logic and object structure. We start by defining the bank account class with an account number and balance. Each method updates the balance directly and prints feedback. Withdraw checks if funds are available before proceeding. It is a clear way to manage states using class methods. We first create a new account with an opening balance. Then, we test the deposit and withdraw methods. Withdraw only succeeds when enough balance exists. Each step updates the account status in real time. Here are the results of our tests. We started with 1500, deposited 500, and withdrew 400. Trying to withdraw 1800 fails due to insufficient funds. The final balance remains accurate at 1600. This structure is similar to how digital wallets or banking systems track funds. It models real-world validation and transaction logic. We'll often use this pattern in budgeting apps or simulations. It also builds a solid foundation for learning class-based JavaScript. In summary, we've used JavaScript classes to simulate bank account operations. With clear methods and validations, we manage deposits and withdrawals. This is a great OOP example with real-world relevance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.